A non-confessional statement recorded under Section 164 of Criminal Procedure Code. A is a substantive piece of evidence. B is not a substantive evidence. C may or may not be substantive evidence depending on the facts and circumstances. D all of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है बी इज नॉट ए सब्सटेंटिव एविडेंस. Under Section 198 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, no court can take cognizance of an offence against marriage punishable under Chapter 20 Indian Penal Code unless a complaint is made by A. The police, B. The wife husband, C. Some person who is aggrieved by the offence, D. All of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है सी सम पर्सन हु इज एग्राइव्ड बाय द ऑफेंस. If a husband has contracted marriage with another woman or keeps a mistress, A is just ground for his wife to refuse to live with him. B is not just ground for his wife to live with him. C is just ground for his wife to marry another person. D is just ground for the husband to seek divorce. इसका राइट आंसर है ए इज जस्ट ग्राउंड फॉर हिज वाइफ टू रिफ्यूज टू लिव विद हिम. If an offence is punishable with fine only, then the limitation for taking cognizance shall be A 6 months, B 1 year, C 2 years, D 3 years. इसका राइट आंसर है ए 6 months. Under Section 482 Criminal Procedure Code, the High Court exercises A. Inherent powers, B. Appellate powers, C. Revisional powers, D. Review powers. इसका राइट आंसर है ए. Inherent powers. Which of the following deals with the powers of the Appellate Court? A. Section 486 Criminal Procedure Code, B. Section 386 Criminal Procedure Code, C. Section 488 Criminal Procedure Code, D. Section 289 Criminal Procedure Code. इसका राइट आंसर है बी. सेक्शन 386 क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड. Whether any condition imposed by a magistrate when releasing any person on bail can be set aside or modified. If yes, by whom, under which provision? A. By High Court under Section 482 Criminal Procedure Code. B. By High Court or Court of Sessions under Section 439 Criminal Procedure Code. C. By Sessions Court under Section 465 Criminal Procedure Code. D. No court can be set aside or modified such condition. इसका राइट आंसर है बी. बाय हाई कोर्ट और कोर्ट ऑफ सेशंस अंडर सेक्शन 439 CRPC. If a person in lawful custody escapes, the person from whose custody he escaped may immediately pursue and arrest him. A. Within local limits of the police station concerned. B. Within local limits of the district. C. Within local limits of the state. D. In any place in India. इसका राइट आंसर है डी. इन एनी प्लेस इन इंडिया. Section 167 of Criminal Procedure Code authorizes remand of an accused in A. Police custody, B. Judicial custody, C. Either A or B, D. Neither A nor B. इसका राइट आंसर है सी. Either A or B. for the purposes of computation of period of 90 days or 60 days as the case may be, for the purposes of section 167 subclause 2 of criminal procedure code. A, the day of arrest of the accused has to be excluded. B, the day on which the accused was remanded is to be excluded. C, the day of arrest of the accused and the day on which the accused was remanded, if different, both have to be excluded. D, the day of arrest of the accused only has to be excluded and the day on which the accused was remanded, even if different, cannot be excluded. इसका राइट आंसर है सी, द डे ऑफ अरेस्ट ऑफ द अक्यूज्ड एंड द डे ऑन विच द अक्यूज्ड वाज रिमांडेड, इफ डिफरेंट, बोथ हैव टू बी एक्सक्लूडेड. Maintenance of a case diary by an investigating officer is mandatory under A. Section 162 of CRPC, B. Section 167 of Criminal Procedure Code, C. Section 172 of Criminal Procedure Code, D. Section 174 of Criminal Procedure Code. इसका राइट आंसर है सी, सेक्शन 172 ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड. Section 210 of Criminal Procedure Code can be invoked A, when there is a complaint case and police is also investigating the matter. B, when there is a complaint case but no police investigation is in progress. C, when there is a complaint case and the police has already completed the investigation and filed the final report. D, all of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है ए, व्हेन देयर इज ए कंप्लेंट केस एंड पुलिस इज आल्सो इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग द मैटर. नो मेंबर ऑफ द आर्म्ड फोर्सेस ऑफ द यूनियन shall be arrested for anything done in the discharge of his official duties except after attaining the consent of A, the defense minister, B, the finance minister, C, the concerned state government, D, the central government. इसका राइट आंसर है डी, द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. Complaint means A, any allegation made orally or in writing to a police officer. B, any allegation made orally or in writing to a magistrate to take action against known or unknown person who has committed an offence. C, police report. D, charge. इसका राइट आंसर है बी, एनी एलिगेशन मेड ओरली और इन राइटिंग टू ए मजिस्ट्रेट टू टेक एक्शन अगेंस्ट नोन और अननोन पर्सन हु हैज कमिटेड एन ऑफेंस. Permission to investigate into a non-cognizable offence can be granted by A. Magistrate in any part of India. B. Magistrate in any part of state. C. Magistrate having jurisdiction to try the case. D. Session judge. इसका राइट आंसर है सी, मजिस्ट्रेट हैविंग jurisdiction to try the case. The magistrate has the power to grant compensation to the victim as provided under A. Section 360 of Criminal Procedure Code, B. Section 359 of Criminal Procedure Code, C. Section 358 of Criminal Procedure Code, D. Section 357 of Criminal Procedure Code. इसका राइट आंसर है डी, सेक्शन 357 ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड. Cognizable offence under Indian Penal Code has been defined A, under Section 2 Clause A of Criminal Procedure Code, B, under Section 2 Clause C of Criminal Procedure Code, C, under Section 2I of Criminal Procedure Code, डी अंडर सेक्शन 2 क्लोज एल ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड। इसका राइट आंसर है बी अंडर सेक्शन 2 क्लोज सी ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड। सेक्शन 311A of Code of Criminal Procedure empowers the magistrate of first class to A. Summon material witness, B. Postpone or adjourn proceedings, C. Order person to give specimen signatures, D. Visit and inspect any place in which an offence is alleged to have been committed। इसका राइट आंसर है सी ऑर्डर पर्सन टू गिव स्पेसिमेन सिग्नेचर्स। What must a magistrate do in case his jurisdiction to continue the proceeding ceases under section 137 criminal procedure code? A. He must leave the matter for the civil court. B. He is not to weigh the evidence for the purpose of arriving at any definite conclusion regarding the truth or otherwise of the denial. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above। इसका राइट आंसर है डी नन ऑफ द अबव। Who among the following is empowered for recording of confessions and statements under section 164 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? A. The Superintendent of Police. B. The Public Prosecutor. C. The District Government Council Criminal. D. Any Metropolitan Magistrate or Judicial Magistrate। इसका राइट आंसर है डी एनी मेट्रोपॉलिटन मजिस्ट्रेट और जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट।